and stick it outside, and it's perfectly fine. Like, it'll just grow. But if you don't have a high humidity state, or if you're a room with high humidity, then you might struggle. But that's just with lion's mane. There's plenty of other strains that do way better in different environments. But for lion's mane, if you're Floridian, you could just stick this outside with an X in it, and then you'll start seeing lion's mane growth. But this is our grow kit. You can find it in our TikTok shop down below. We're finally on TikTok shop, so I'm pretty happy about that. But this is our lion's mane grow kits. I think we only have the lion's mane grow kit on here right now, but I'll show you this wall in a second. We have all of our grow kits over here. Moving on, because I kind of just want to give you guys an update and show you guys what we have in the shop and what we're starting to work on and add to it, because we tried TikTok shop a little while ago. It didn't work. We were having problems with it just because of the stuff we put on there, like syringes. They didn't like that. So